On with these clouds?
Well, out in Springfield, that's kind of how I picture the Pacific Northwest, just completely overcast and rainy. Nothing too severe out in Baca County quite yet, but it's possible we get a few stronger storms in the southeast tonight. Of course, I'll show you that in a moment. Here on I-25, your Community Bank's Colorado camera. A lot of sunshine out there. It's turned into a fantastic Saturday night for Colorado Springs residents, Pueblo, pretty much all of us on I-25. We're done with any type of severe weather threat that we were dealing with this afternoon. Really, those thunderstorms, they just produce some heavier rainfalls. We got approximately about an inch of rain in some spots in El Paso County, but most of the storms have moved on out. Notice in the southeast, again, this is where the stronger storms are. This little thunderstorm cell that's in southern Bent County, it's still moving east. So folks up across Highway 50 in Bent County, you're just fine at the moment. It's Prowers County, Lamar, dealing with the chance for a couple of stronger thunderstorms tonight. Same in Springfield, but mostly just rainfall right now. There's no severe weather out there, but you'll notice on the high-resolution model run, there's kind of some slight intensification happening with some of these thunderstorms. You'll notice kind of a pulsing motion out of some of these thunderstorms, so it's possible we get some intensification through the night tonight, but overall non-severe storms possible in Colorado Springs for your evening, and all of the severe weather should be contained to the entire southeastern side for until about 9 o'clock tonight. I'm even thinking 10 p.m. rolls around, you'll still be seeing a lingering shower or two off in Springfield, but most of the severe weather will be over by that 9 p.m. hour. Notice your temperatures today. We only maxed out at 73 degrees today, which is feeling pretty nice considering last week it was just scorching. Upper 60s at the moment. When those thunderstorms rolled through the Springs, we dropped to about 59 degrees, so it cooled off pretty quickly and back up into the high 60s now, but tomorrow we'll be seeing a return of some of that heat. The wind speeds aren't really a problem for most. Light winds, 13 miles an hour in the Springs. The biggest concerns are with those little tiny isolated thunderstorms. You could be getting some stronger outflow wind gusts up to about 50 miles an hour, not necessarily damaging winds, but some stronger winds out in Springfield and Lamar tonight. 57 for your low in Walsenburg. We should bottom out at about 55 in the Springs, but notice tomorrow afternoon back up into the high 80s in Colorado Springs. I was forced to throw in that quick little rain chance later on. Nothing severe for our Sunday, and really most of us should be staying dry in the Springs. Just a quick isolated rain chance for tomorrow afternoon. By no means cancel your plans. Should be just fine for tomorrow. Notice temps still into the mid 90s in La Junta, 94 in Pueblo, but you'll see in the 7-day a pretty drastic cooling trend to start next week. So Woodland Park into the low 70s, and then check it out, mid 60s by Tuesday. So early Monday morning, a little cold front will sweep on through the state, keeping temperatures well below average for this time of the year. Canyon City at 91 for tomorrow, and then not escaping the 70s by your Monday and Tuesday forecast. Wednesday, we'll see a return of some above seasonal temperatures, but then by our Thursday and even Friday forecast, looking just fine out there. A couple thunderstorms for Monday and Tuesday, but the severe thunderstorm threat is quite low. Colorado Springs, check out our Tuesday. It's really starting to feel like fall out there, low 70s, and then only into the mid 80s by Wednesday. So overall, just a comfortable week ahead with a couple isolated showers during the afternoons. Willis?